Get ready. Start. I am unable to accept the contention raised on behalf of the appellants. Stop. In case of agricultural land by virtue of provisions of the Punjab Relief of Indebtedness Act 1934, a mortgager cannot recover double the amount of the principal amount and has to render account of the produce when possession is given to mortgagee. Stop. In absence of rendering of any accounts, the mortgagee cannot be treated to have been paid, and possession of such a mortgagee remains permissive possession. Stop. After considering several decisions of the apex court in this regard, it was held in Samadh Baba Naren Das so and so that declaration of mortgagee having become owner could not be granted in such a situation. Stop. Stanza. In view of the above, there is no limit in this appeal and the same is dismissed. Stop. Stanza. Evidence Act 1872 within bracket 1 of 1872, section 63 within bracket 5, illustration within bracket C. Secondary evidence agreement to sell was not only seen but was scribed by the PW. He was fully competent to depose about the material particulars of the document. Stop. He had deposed about the execution by proving signatures and passing of the consideration entry of the gist of the agreement to sell would certainly be transcribed from the original document, especially when the author of the original as well of the gist is the same persons. Such a piece is admissible in view of illustration appended to section 63 of the Evidence Act 1872 within bracket 1 of 1872. Stop. Stanza. M. Kumar. This is defendant's appeal filed under section 100 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 bracket start for brevity the code bracket close, challenging concurrent findings of the facts recorded by both the courts below, holding that plaintiff respondent number 1 is entitled to possession of the suit land by way of specific performance of the agreement to sell dated 28/1/1990. Stop. Both the courts below have concurrently found that despite the fact that original agreement to sell dated 28/1/1990 has not been produced, but by way of secondary evidence bracket start permitted wide order dated 28/3/1998 stop bracket close, it has relevant entry in the register of the scribe was got proved by plaintiff respondent as exhibit P2A by producing Meghraj scribe draftsman PWZ stop. Meghraj had stated that the suit land was agreed to be sold for a sum of rupees 2,40,000 and 2 lakh was paid by the plaintiff respondent to the dependent appellants was earnest money stop. He further deposed the defendant appellants had appended their signatures on his register stop. A certified copy of the register has been produced on record as Exhibit PW2A stop. Vijay Singh Patwari, PW3, has also testified about the execution of the agreement between the parties stop. The theory of fraud propounded by the defendant appellants has been summarily rejected because no evidence has been produced to prove and substantiate the fraud. Reliance has also been placed on Compromise Exhibit D1, which is an admitted document between the parties as per the joint statement dated 3/6/1993 stop. Compromise Exhibit D1 shows that defendant appellant Chandro has categorically admitted the execution of the agreement and receipt of a sum of rupees 2 lakh as earnest money stop. She further stated that they were all ready to get the sale deed executed stop. The aforementioned statement proves the execution of the agreement to sell dated stop.